When we wake up, sometimes we feel more tired and sometimes more rested. Even we sleep same amount of time, for example 8 hours per night. It happens because of deep sleep. Especially deep sleep length is important to feel rested or tired after wake up. Deep sleep happens several times during the night during our sleep cycle. It is third or fourth phase of sleep. Third non-REM, and if we take overall, it's fourth stage. Also, deep sleep has many important functions. For example, memory consolidation. It means when you learn something during day, memory formation happens during the night in deep sleep. So if person lack of deep sleep, he or she may have problems with recalling things or problems with memory. Body repair and restoration. Body repair and restoration happens during deep sleep, especially if person has physical trauma or any kind of trauma. Tissue restoration and reparation happens during deep sleep, and not only tissue but on cellular level also. So for our immune system function, deep sleep is important. Another important function is human growth, especially for adolescents and teenagers who are in active growth stage. They need deep sleep for growing their tissue replication and tissue multiplication and for their growth. And detoxification is important because during deep sleep glymphatic system is active, and glymphatic system is responsible detoxification or clearing waste from brain which is accumulated during the day. And now let's say what affects negatively the length of deep sleep. Aging affects naturally, and as we age our deep sleep is shortened. Smoking affects, alcohol, obesity, lack of exercise. And now let's say what we should do to increase length of deep sleep. First is physical activity. We already have many studies, and according to the studies, physical activity improves deep sleep. Also, diet is important, especially proteins. Dietary fibers, fruits and vegetables are important. Meditation and mindfulness. Meditation, yoga and mindfulness, for example deep breathing exercises is a simple form of mindfulness, positively affects deep sleep, and it not only removes negative emotions and reduces stress but also improves deep sleep. Shower and warm bath also important, but remember that you should shower 1 or 2 hours before sleep, because showering near sleep can disrupt your sleep. So it's better if you shower before 1 or 2 hours before sleep to be effective. And melatonin, it's supplement, it's not natural method, of course. Melatonin supplement also increases sleep and increases deep sleep. Melatonin generally is hormone which is produced in our brain, and it manages and it helps our circadian rhythm, and it is supplement also which is sold on many markets. And white noise also can help deep sleep. And let's say about caffeine, we should intake caffeine at least 6 hours before sleep. If we want caffeine not to affect our sleep. And for some people who are sensitive to caffeine, this number can be 9 hours before you should stop intaking caffeine. And for some people this number can be 12 hours. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you for your interest. And one interesting thing that if we say deep sleep occurs usually first 4 hours after sleep. So the more person sleeps, the less likely that deep sleep occurs. Maybe occur short duration, but it's less likely. That's why for some people 4 hours sleep is important, and for some people even they sleep 7 hours or 8 hours, they don't feel rested. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you for your interest, thank you for your watching. If you like my videos, please thumbs up. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye for now.